Okay. So page replacement algorithm with the lowest number of page faults. What is page fault? The required page is not available in the memory currently. That is page fault. Okay. Number of page faults must be lowest. So it is the best algorithm is the algorithm which has less number of page faults. Okay. We'll see how to calculate the page faults. Fine. So evaluate algorithms by running a particular string of memory references or reference string. Okay, I'll just tell what it is. So here you can observe this. This is the algorithms. What you are seeing is first in, first out. You know what this technique is. Whichever is first in to the memory, that will be the page to go out first. First in, first out. Okay. LRU is the algorithm least recently used. We'll see that later. Next is other one is optimal page replacement algorithm. We'll see how it works. Okay. Now, usually this is the trend. That is, as the number of frames in memory increases, okay, there are more number of frames. As the number of frames in memory increases, the number of page faults decrease. Okay, how is it? So if a program, P1 program has 3 pages, 0, 1, 2 are the 3 pages. Okay, and whenever required, the pages are brought to the memory. Okay, and every time the CPU is referring or CPU is sending the address, logical address, it will only 3 pages are present and all are present in the primary memory. Okay, there is enough space in the primary memories to store all the pages. Then there is no page fault at all. At least 1 or 2 page faults may occur to bring that particular page to the memory. Once it is brought to the memory, once the page is brought to the memory, there is no page fault. Okay. So if the page number of pages or number of frames increases in primary memory, if there is sufficient space in primary memory, there is no page fault at all. Okay, so we will see how the page fault occurs. This is the reference string. Okay, this is the reference string which will be given. What is reference string? Reference string is the string of CPU request for the pages. Okay, so it indicates how the CPU is requesting for different pages. Fine. So here this is the reference string which indicates CPU is requesting for page number 7 first, and then page number 0, next page number 1, page number 2, again page number 0, next page number 3, again page number 0, and so on. Okay, so reference string indicates the string of references done by the processor. Okay, string of references means the CPU is referring or the CPU is requesting for some pages, isn't it? Via its logical address. It is requesting for some instructions. When it is requesting for some instructions, it will send the address where and in which page number the instruction is present. So first string it is requesting is in page number 7. Okay, with some offset 3 suppose means page number 7 only. Instruction 3 is required by processor. Next page number 0. Okay, so in next instruction which is sent by processor is page number 0, and in page number 0 some offset. In page number 0 suppose 2, when second instruction in a page there will be number of instructions. Okay, so each page in memory there will be number of instructions. So which instruction it is at a displacement of what, that is indicated by offset. You have understood in paging technique. Okay, so this is the reference string which indicates the sequence in which the pages are referred by the processor. Okay, sequence in which the pages are referred by the processor. And this is first in, first out. We'll see how this drawing has to be done of frames, what it is. We'll see that now. Okay. Now, usually for the exams, they will ask this problem and they tell the number of page frames present. Okay. In memory, there will be more than 500 frames. Okay, more than 500 frames will be there. Frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, and so on. More than 500 frames will be there. Okay, here we are just taking 3 frames. Okay, we are just taking 3 frames. In the question, it will be mentioned how many frames should be taken, because you cannot draw 500 frames. Fine. And we are not checking for number of programs. This is for one program, P1 programs reference string it is. Okay. So we are not seeing the concept of multi-programming here. It is the same programs pages which is referred here. Okay. And in the question, it will be given number of free frames available in memory. So it will be usually 3 or 4 frames. Okay, I have not seen question paper going more than this. It will be always 3 or 4 free frames. They would have mentioned free frames or empty frames. Okay, now we'll see the string and know how the first in, first out works. Okay, here first in, first out means the page which has come first to the memory will be the page to go out first. Okay, or the page which has come first to the memory will be selected as the victim page first. Okay, so this is the reference string, the same reference string I have taken, not complete because there is no enough space here. Okay, now I have taken 3 frames here. Okay, so there are 3 empty frames. Fine. Now first string which is referred, first page which is referred as page number 7. Page number 7 is not present in memory. Memory is free. So there is no page number 7 in memory. Okay. And page number 7 is required. So it is a page fault. The requested page by the processor is not there. It is a page fault. Okay. So the required page is brought to the memory. Fine. So page number 7 is brought to the memory. So this is page fault count 1. One page fault has happened. Now, page number 0 is requested next by the processor. Page number 0 is also not there. I have redrawn this. It is the same memory which I have redrawn. Okay. So for this many reference string we should refer. Hence for each page fault wherever occurs, I am drawing the same memory. So same thing is copied. Page number 7 is already there. Okay, the complete page is already there. Now required is page 0. It is not there and hence it is a page fault. Bring that page 0 from secondary memory. You can see the left side, right side top. So the page number 0 is present here and it has to be brought to the memory. Yes, page number 0 is brought to the memory. Okay. Again, page number 1 is required next. That is not there in primary memory. Okay. Same, redraw it once again. Don't rub and do the modification in the same thing, because this gives us each the rectangle here gives us the number of page faults. Okay, here is the first page fault, this is the second page fault, this is the third page fault, and so on. Okay, required page number 1 is not there in memory, so it is a page fault. Bring the page from secondary memory to primary memory. So it is handled. Next, page number 2 is required. Is page number 2 present in memory? No, page number 2 is not present. The pages which are present is 7, 0, and 1. Page number 2 which is next referred by processor, is not there in the primary memory. Okay, so what has to be done? There is no space also. All the frames are filled by 7, 0 and 1. Only 3 frames are there. Okay. Now, as per FIFO, first in, first out, whichever page has come first, that will be replaced by the new page, or whichever page has come first out of this existing pages, whichever has come first, that will be selected as victim page. Okay, now out of this, which page has come first? Is it 7, 0 or 1? Which has come first to the primary memory? Which page has come first to the primary memory? 7. Page number 7 has come first to the primary memory. Okay, so that will be replaced, that will be selected as victim page, and it is moved out if the modify bit is set to 1. Okay, however, it is moved out and the new page is brought to the memory. Okay, so page number 7 is swapped out and page number 2 is brought to the memory. Okay, next, page 0 is required. Is page 0 available in primary memory? Yes, page 0 is already there. Okay, so it need not be, it is not a page fault. Page 0 is already there. The instruction from page 0 is accessed. Okay, so there is no page fault. Next, page 3 is required. Is page 3 present in primary memory? No, page 3 is not present. Okay, the pages which are available is page 2, 0 and 1. Page 3 is not present. Okay, now we have to select a victim page for replacement, because page 3 is required now and it has to be brought to the memory. Okay, now according to first in, first out, whichever page has come first out of this existing pages, whichever has come first, that will be selected as a victim page. Okay, but first in, first out. So first page which has come out of this existing will be selected as victim page. Okay, page 2 has recently come. Page 0 has come here at this particular instant. Okay, and then page 1 had come. So which is the page which had come first to the primary memory?
0.
Out of this, 2, 0 or 1?
0, ma'am.
Page 0 had come first. Okay, by the diagram itself you can see 2 is here, 0 had come here and 1 had come here. So 0 has come first. Okay, hence page 0 is selected as a victim page and that page is replaced by page number 3. Okay, so this is first in, first out page replacement. The process continues. Okay, when I do, meanwhile, you can finish off in your books. Okay, finish off in your books. Next, page number 0 is required. Page number 0 is not available in primary memory. It was just replaced. Okay, page number 0 is not available. The pages available are 2, 3 and 1. Okay, so we have to select a victim frame which can be replaced. So according to the page replacement algorithm FIFO, page 2, page 3 or page 1, which has come first? Page 2 had come here, page 3 has come here and page 1 is the page which had come first. Okay, hence page 1 is replaced by page 0. Okay, next, page 4 is required. So which page is selected as victim page? Page 4 is required. These are the existing pages. Page 4 is not available, so it is a page fault. We should draw the box there then. It is a page fault. We have to select a victim page. Page 2 had come at this point and page 3 had come here. Okay, and page 0 has come here. Okay, so page 2 is the page which has come first. Hence, page 2 is replaced by page 4. Okay, so other things remain the same. Page 4 is put in this position. Okay, so this is a question which can come in GATE questions also. Okay, they give the reference string. Tell the number of frames is 3 or 4, and write the number of page faults. Okay, so next page, which is referred as page 2. Page 2 is not available. Which page is replaced by page 2? Page 2 is required. Okay, so one of the page has to be selected as victim page. Which will be selected as victim page?
Page 3, ma'am.
Page 3. Okay, page 3 is selected as victim page, and that will be replaced by page number 2. Okay, next page 3 is required. Again, which page will be selected as victim page out of this existing? How to check which is the victim page? Page 4 has come here, page 2 has come recently, and page 0 has come here. So page 0 is a page which had come first. Okay, so to note down, to check when it has come to the memory in the pages, the time at which from the 0th time, so at what time the page has come to the memory, so that time will be stored. Okay, however, page 0 will be replaced by page 3. Next, page 0 is required. Page 0 is not available now. It was recently replaced. However, page 0 is required now. So which page will be selected as victim page? Page 4 has come at this instant. Page 2 had come here, and page 3 has come here. So page 4 will be replaced by the page 0. Okay. Next, page 3 is required. Is it a page fault? Page 3 is already there. Yes, in memory it is already there. It is not a page fault. Next, page 2 is required. Page 2 is also already there. Okay. Next, page 1 is required. Page 1 is not available in primary memory, and so it is a page fault. Now, which page has to be selected as victim page? Page 1 has to be replaced. 0 has come recently. Page 2 had come here. Okay, and page 3 had come at this instant. So page 2 will be replaced by page 1. Okay, so page 2 is replaced by page 1. Next, page 2 is required. So whichever page has come first out of this 0, 1, and 3. So page 3 will be replaced by page 2. Okay, so this is how the number of page faults is selected. Now, what is the count of page faults? For this particular string, the count of page faults is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or wherever there is page fault, I have drawn this. Okay, page 0, it's not a page fault. Hence, I had not drawn the box. Correct. So you can count the number of towers here, which will give you the number of page faults. So for this particular string, the count is 12. Number of page faults is 12. Okay. So, any doubt in this first in, first out? Next, we'll see the Veladis anomaly. So, in first in, first out algorithm, in first in, first out, when we are using the first in, first out algorithm, okay, there is a problem which was analyzed by a person, by a scientist called as Velady. So what he says is, usually whenever the number of frames increases, the number of page faults decreases. Okay, number of page faults decreases, but in few strings, in some string setup, okay, some reference string, even if the number of frames increases, okay, number of page faults also increases. Fine. So this is the reference string which I have taken. Okay. So Bellady's anomaly says that even if the number of frames increases, correspondingly the number of page faults also increases. Okay. So here for this particular string, taking 3 as the number of frames, you can see that the number of page faults is 9. Okay, so you must draw like this. Actually, as I have done here. Okay, step by step it must be drawn. Fine. So this I have just taken a table. So here the number of page faults is 9. If the frames are 4, increased by 1. Okay, if the frames are 4, then for the same string, the number of page faults is also increased to 10. Okay, and this is found by a scientist, Bellady. So what he says is, even if the number of frames increases, for few strings, the number of page faults also increases. It is not true for all strings. Okay, only in first in, first out page replacement algorithm, only for few specific strings, specific reference strings, it is true that even if number of frames increases, number of page faults also increases. Okay, so that is first in, first out page replacement algorithm.